Goan Ambot Tik. Today's recipe is Goan Ambot Tik. Fish clean and cut into desired pieces. Now I'm adding sea salt. This salt looks a bit different because it's Himalayan pink salt. You can use any salt. Tamarind, 3 to 4 pieces. Soak in lukewarm water or hot water. Preparing masala paste. Kashmiri red chilli. These are spicy red chilli, 5 to 6 for spiciness. Peppercorn, around 10 to 15. 4 to 5 garlic clove. 1 small piece of ginger. Cinnamon stick. Half a teaspoon of cumin seed. Turmeric, you can use like this or a turmeric powder. I prefer turmeric like that, nice and fresh, gives a nice flavor. Half teaspoon. 4 cloves. Now combine everything together. Now add some water and grind into a fine paste. These are the ingredients, if you like to say. Now this is the way to make tamarind pulp. Remove all the unnecessary stuff like seeds and anything whatever you don't need, and the pulp is ready. Add into a masala. The reason why I do this, to keep the right color and the consistency. Our paste is ready, nice and fine, smooth paste. Heat a pan. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil or any cooking oil. Add 1 medium size of chopped onion. Saute until it gets soft. At this moment, I'm going to use salt. Onion looks soft enough now. Now I'm going to add masala paste. Add masala paste and cook it for a few minutes until the raw smell disappears. That's very important. 5 minutes done now. Add water as needed to achieve the desired curry consistency. Check the seasoning. Add 4 to 5 green chilies. If you don't like spices, avoid those chilies. Now I'm adding cut fish. And give a good mix. Add a cut fish and give a good mix, nice and slowly. Fish take 8 to 9 minutes to cook. Add water as needed to achieve the desired curry consistency. Bring the curry to boil, then reduce the heat and simmer until the fish is cooked through. Once the fish is cooked and the curry has reached the desired consistency, bring the curry to boil, then reduce the heat and simmer until the fish is cooked through. Taste the curry and adjust the seasoning if needed. Ah. I prefer my Ambot Tik with hot steamed rice. What about you? Let me know in the comment section. Ambot means sour, Tik means spicy. Our Ambot Tik is ready now. Time to taste. Taste amazing, looks amazing. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching Chef Don.